Rajeshri Venkatramanan, reading 80 verse English shorthand dictation. Please subscribe, like, share, and public comments. Please try to write each dictation 3 or 4 times. Okay, we can start. We shall be obliged if you will furnish us with personal information addition to that supplied in your application of the 27th January. Have you held any other position similar to that held by you for the past 5 years? Have you had practical experience of management? If so, please state the number of members of the staff controlled. You say that it will be necessary to give 3 months' notice, but suggest that if the vacant position is offered to you, you will be able to begin your duties at any time to suit our convenience. We shall be pleased if you deal more explicitly with this point. Are you willing to enter into a 5 years agreement? Our advertisement states 3 years, but special circumstances have arisen that will make it essential for the successful applicant to sign a few years contract. The salary you state you desire is rupees 5,000 a month, more than we are prepared to pay at the outset. But if the successful applicant prove his ability during the first year, he will find himself in accordance with the terms of his agreement in receipt of a progressive salary. Please let us have your reply by return without fail. Incidentally, if we place your name on our shortlist, we shall require you to visit our office for an interview on the first Thursday of next month. I join the health minister in offering you delegates a very warm welcome on behalf of the government. I should just like to add a few words to that welcome and tell you that we not only welcome you in a formal sense, but we really attach the greatest importance to the significance of the work that this great organization is doing, more especially from the point of view of Southeast Asia, which compared to many other parts of the world is backward in its health conditions. Now, health is very big word and I see it is defined in the objectives of your charter. I am happy to read that you have defined health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. If you achieve that object, I'm sure you would have solved the whole problem in the world because if we can achieve that nearly every problem disappears from the world. So I'm happy that we too may eventually, even though perhaps we cannot achieve that and quickly reach that goal or something really worthwhile. In the political sphere, the United Nations organization has been functioning for 2 or 3 years. It is struggling hard against very great problems and not always finding it easy to make progress. Nevertheless, with all its weaknesses, which are weaknesses not so much of the organization as of the world we live in, its making progress, and it is the only thing in this world today which offers some hope of the ultimate solution of the political problems of the world. Whether the world is wise enough to take advantage of that opportunity, I am not a prophet enough to say. Therefore, it becomes the duty of us on the political plane as well as other planes to endeavor to bring about that cooperation. On the political plane, there are big conflicts. On other planes, there are no such conflicts. But you must have enough resources to tackle them. Therefore, if we have more and more international cooperation in this and like activities, not only we do